guys, today's video, let's learn how we can stop Instagram from sharing the story to your Facebook. So this happens if your Instagram and Facebook account are connected. We can completely stop this without having to, disconnect both of your accounts. So for that, tap this three-bar icon, go for Accounts Center. Under Connected Experiences, select Sharing Across Profiles. Now at this section, you will see your Facebook because both of them are connected. So once you see your Facebook, you're going to have to tap onto it. And as you do that, by default, your Facebook story might be toggled on, but you're going to have to toggle it off. If you would like to do the same for your Facebook posts, go ahead, toggle it off as well. And as you toggle both of them off, everything that you share in your Instagram, whether that be a post or stories, they will not be shared to your Facebook. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.